Twisted, ballistic in the zone, raw and hard and uncut. Raw, we soar with these metaphors to the planes of reality, and we soar. The predator is our editor, and we say it with these force.
Sorry. Is this going?
Go ahead. Yeah, doing what I do is so ill. All up in these cuts, so raw. I come uncut, and I go to the different places in your minds that you saw me in a past life. No, we just met up for a cool minute. Every single time we just do this shit, so you can't stand it. How I spit it, how I pop off the top of the dome. It's non-stop the way I riot on the mic. Motherfuckers try to steal my zone, and it's alright, cause the divine ghost strikes my rhyme. So if you butt off my lines, it's all good, cause then you'll be the divine shine. So we stay aligned with different star constellations, like the Draco star constellation, where the reptilians came down during Egyptian times and built the pyramids. I'm staying in the moment like Moses when he split the oceans with the help of the extraterrestrials' presence. The divine keeps me aligned all the time, completely freestyle unwritten. This is a subscription to the light, which I psych you out every single time. Some punch drunk, now I'm completely sober with the help of Alcoholics Anonymous. I'm dropping this shit to 2012, but it's not the end of days, it's just us raising in consciousness.